Nothing gets me more into the holiday spirit like setting up my Lemax villages. And this year, there are 8 new exclusives, found only at Michael's. Meet me under the mistletoe and check out all the festive sounds, lights, and animations these new collectibles add to my villages. We can't have Christmas without a tree, so let's get started at the Farm Fresh Christmas tree stand. Once you pick out your freshly cut tree, you must stop by the adorable A-frame Sweet Shack to grab a gingerbread cookie and some candy canes to decorate your new tree. Your sweet pup needs a snack too. Sled on over to the Santa Claus and Paws for a quick treat. While you're out, don't forget to grab your furry friend a gift at Forever Toy Store. Next stop, the North Pole, to say hello to Santa himself at Santa's Reindeer Stables. He's busy packing up the last of the children's gifts while the elves groom the beautiful reindeer. Once the elves complete their chores, they head to the toy making school and learn how to stuff teddy bears and carve wooden soldiers. Let's try some ice fishing at Birch Creek Ice Fishing Festival. With food, music, and hot coffee, you could spend all day catching rainbow trout and watching the ducks swim around. Hop into Santa's sleigh and fly to Santa's village. This exclusive Lemax facade found only at Michael's has so much to offer. Mrs. Claus is busy baking up sweets while the sleigh gets loaded in the garage. The letters are flowing in at the post office, and Santa is checking his list twice. Everyone seems ready for the holidays, including me. These exclusives have added so much holiday spirit to my collection. Stop at your local Michael's or go online at michaels.com to find these exclusive Lemax collectibles. Don't forget to complete your collection with figurines, trees, and accessories. Happy holidays!